Hi there, my name is Emily. I'm a Norwex independent sales consultant, and I'm here today to show you the power of Norwex microfiber. So Norwex microfiber cleans mechanically, not chemically like your traditional cleaners. And I'm going to show you why that's so awesome. I can actually effectively clean with just Norwex microfiber and water. And today I have the Enviro cloth. So this is the little red cloth where it all started. Enviro cloth has backlock, so it has that microsilver in it, just like many of the Norwex microfibers do. Most of them have the backlock, and that is going to prevent it from becoming that stinky rag because silver is antimicrobial. So first I want to show you, I have glow germ to do this demonstration today, and that is going to be reactive to black light. So I want to show you that I'm starting with a clean plate here. Clean plate, there's nothing on here, and now we're going to go ahead and apply some egg wash and glow germ to show you what it looks like when you don't have a clean plate. So I'm going to have your egg wash over here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on there, and then we're going to go ahead and put some glow germ on there. So as I'm doing this, what the Norwex microfiber does is it picks everything up into the cloth. So it's not cleaning chemically like your traditional cleaners, it is cleaning mechanically, which what that means is it has these little loops in there. The way that it's woven is special so that it actually is cleaning effectively, picking everything up into the cloth with just water. So it's getting everything off of your surfaces, whether it's your countertop, whether it is your tub, your toilet, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to use the same side to clean everything. That's the side with this tag on it, okay? So here is what a dirty plate looks like. You're going to be able to see that you'll have all of this residue, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my microfiber cloth, this is the Norwex Enviro cloth, and I'm going to make sure the flat side's down, and we're going to give it a wipe here. And I think I missed the corner, so I'm going to wipe there too. Okay. And I'm going to show you that there is nothing left here. And look at the other side, it's still dirty, right? So let's go ahead and clean that with a traditional wipe, which I have right here. This is a chemical cleaning wipe that you would normally use. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that side with the wipe. And I'm going to show you how that works. Oops, my egg wash went flying. So you can see on this side here, look at all that residue that's left, okay? It doesn't really show. Oop, there we go, you can see it there. All right, so kind of, there we go. I'm like trying to find the best angle to show you. I'm like, I can see it. So now that we can see that this is actually leaving a chemical residue on there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my same side here and I'm going to get rid of that yuck that's on here using my Enviro cloth. Okay, and it's probably still on my fingers too, but we'll get this whole thing cleaned. Okay, so now I'm going to take my black light again and show you that what we have now is a completely clean surface. Pretty amazing, right? So that's the power of cleaning with microfiber and water. What I'll do with this cloth now is I'm going to take it over to my sink. I'm going to rinse it out. Well, because I use the chemicals and the egg on it, I'm going to use a little bit of dish detergent. So you want a free and clear dish detergent. Norwex dish detergent is amazing. So in between, like I'm going to keep using this today. I will use this today. I'll use this tomorrow. I'm just going to give it a little wash, rinse it out, wring it out, hang it up to dry. That's when that backlock or the microsilver gets to work self-purifying, and I can keep using this over and over again, and we'll go over care another time. So that's how you clean with Norwex microfiber and water. As effective as this chemical cleaner, actually easier, right? It's faster because this is going to take like 3 minutes to go ahead and disinfect, and then you're going to have to wipe after it with potable water. So that's what I love about Norwex, is that it's so simple, so fast, so easy, and it is effective and safe for myself, for my kids, for my dog. Everything that I clean with is just water. I don't have to worry about that chemical residue. Have a great day.